How to make a group admin on WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how can you make group admin. It's a very easy and simple process to learn it. You have to watch this video till the very end. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to the internet, and once you are connected to the internet, then go ahead and open up your WhatsApp. And guys, I want to say something to you. After watching this video, if you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now all you have to do, tap on these three lines at the upper right corner and then tap on group info. Now scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you'll get your all group members. Now you have to select that group members you want to make admin, and then tap on make a group admin. And as you can see that this person has become a group admin, and that's how you can make a group admin on your WhatsApp group. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.